Century Tile, keeping you at the forefront of home design.
I'm Suzanne Wynn, and when I think of green, I think of envy. And who wouldn't envy these glorious centerpieces? I'm going to show you how to put these bad boys together. They're simple, they're easy, and they're sustainable. I actually tested that out because I can kill anything, and these babies have been alive for like 4 months now. Very easy to do. All you need are 2 pedestals. I like to use different heights and different materials. Next, what you need to do is to get 2 sustainable plants. I got 2 salad bowls. These are salad bowls, different size, small and medium. Then I went and got a plastic insert inside of that so we wouldn't have a problem with water. Plunk these bad boys in there and voila, you are done. These are certainly centerpieces to be admired and envied by all.